A few weeks ago, notcoin was listed, and many people made huge profits with no investment. But how? Months ago, a crypto game called notcoin was launched. In this game, all you have to do is tap. Many people called it silly, but on May 16, 2024, notcoin was listed, and many of its farmers made huge profits. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can participate in upcoming similar projects. But before we dive in, I remind you to make sure you've subscribed to my channel. Okay, let's get started. So first we talk about crypto airdrops. What is a crypto airdrop? Crypto airdrops are a marketing strategy used by blockchain startups to distribute their new tokens or coins for free to crypto wallet addresses, usually before the listing. So, the first one we'll talk about is the most popular hamster combat game. Okay, they have about 31 million subscribers on Telegram, around 20 million subscribers on YouTube, and 6.4 million followers on X. Recently, they announced that they will launch their tokens in the TON ecosystem, which is large and Telegram's own. Notcoin was also listed on the TON ecosystem. We can earn coins by tapping and by mining. Mining can be done by buying cards. Watch this video till the end and I will give you a bonus tip. This coin is expected to be released in July, so stay tuned to their socials. So, the next one is Bloom, backed by Binance, which is in its early stage, so don't miss out. We can earn Bloom points by completing tasks, farming, and playing games. The link is provided in my Telegram channel. The third one is On-Chain, which is going to list on June 15th. The mining period will end by June 14th, so don't miss out. This has very few players compared to Hamster Combat, and also the supply is less, thus giving huge value. On-chain tokens can be earned by tapping and completing tasks. All the mining bots links are provided in my Telegram channel. My channel link is provided in description. So here comes the bonus point which I mentioned earlier. So this is about Hamster Combat. The airdrop value depends not on the balance coins, but on the profit per hour. So maximize the profit per hour by buying cards. Also, users can earn 5 million coins by completing the daily combo cards, which I will provide in my Telegram channel. So make sure to join my channel, the link is in the description. The projects I have mentioned are genuine and have a large community. These projects don't require any investment, so please be careful if someone asks for money in the name of these projects. Be aware of frauds, your money is your responsibility. Always follow their official social media channels for updates. In this video, I have only mentioned 30% of genuine projects. The rest of them will be covered in the next video. The next video will be published when this video hits 50 comments. So this is all about today's video. Till then, bye!